How to kill weeds, not grass, in a large area. Weeds are an invasive group of plants that often take over large fields and lawns if not properly treated. An herbicide may be used to kill weeds without harming the health of surrounding grass. There are different kinds of herbicides: pre-emergence for weeds yet to show, and post-emergence, which kills the weeds that are visible. You can also choose between a selective or non-selective herbicide. Use a selective herbicide to kill only the weeds and not the grass. Things you'll need: selective herbicide, spray bottle, gardening gloves. Wear gardening gloves to prevent chemicals from the herbicide from coming into contact with your skin. Measure the amount of herbicide recommended for the area you are covering. The bottle should specify the dosage. Pour the herbicide into a spray bottle, and screw the top on firmly. Spray the weeds with the herbicide. Be sure to spray only the weeds and not the surrounding grass. Spray from top to bottom and under the leaves of the weeds. Continue to spray and treat all weeds in the area. Store unused herbicide safely and out of reach from children.